In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and protect formulas in Excel so that people can't see them or edit them. And I'll also show you a couple of easy ways to select all the cells that have formulas, because it can be difficult to do manually if you have lots and lots of formulas on your worksheet. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the Excel file I use in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Now, when you have formulas on a worksheet like we have here, so we have average formulas down here in column E and across the bottom here in row 13. The formulas are unhidden by default. So if I just come up here and I right click on this one and go to Format Cells, and then go to the Protection tab in the pop-up, you can see that Hidden is unchecked. So that means that all of these formulas are unhidden by default. Now, in order to hide all of your formulas, the first thing you need to do is actually select all of the cells. And you can do it manually by clicking on the cells with your mouse. And then if I hit Control and I run the mouse over here and let go of Control, we've selected all of the formulas there. But if you have formulas in multiple places on your worksheet, there's a better way of doing it. If you go up to the Home tab in the ribbon and come right over here to the Find and Select button, and then click on Formulas, you can see that all of the cells with formulas have now been selected by Excel. And the other way to do it is to click on the same Find and Select button and then go to Special and then select Formulas and then OK. And that's selected all the cells with the formulas. Once you've selected all of the cells with formulas, you can right click on one of them, go to Format Cells, check the box that says Hidden. And as you can see by the comment below, it says that hiding formulas has no effect until you protect the worksheet. So that's the next step we'll do after checking that box. So we'll click on OK. And at the moment, as you can see, the formulas are not hidden. So you can still see the formulas up there in the formula bar. So now we need to go to the Review panel and Protect Sheet. And then decide whether or not you want to use a password. So I'll leave the password out for now and just click on OK. And now you can see that the formula disappeared from the formula bar. And if we click on any of the cells that have the average formulas in them, the formula doesn't appear up in the formula bar anymore because they're all hidden. To show them again, you just need to unprotect the sheet by clicking on the button in the ribbon. And because we didn't password protect it, that's just gone and unprotected the worksheet straight away. So all of those formulas are now showing. Now, if we want to do this so it's password protected, we'll just go back to Home, Find and Select, Formulas, right click, Format Cells, and just make sure that we've got Hidden checked, which we do, and OK. Come up to the Review tab, click on Protect Sheet, enter a password, re-enter the password, and click on OK. And now all those formulas are hidden again. They're not showing up in the formula bar. And then if you do want those formulas to display again, you need to unprotect the sheet, put in the password, and now you can see the formulas again.